Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
UMLA jog United Democratic Party uba Lahkmen Rymbui ulakan thok kala yu President jog Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent pala nadu bulawan phai sakajala ban chimti kam President hapok aseng Congress lajan baro ki MLA kila phet no na party ulo ongru bawat kitu ki belajet banyak khun na aseng Congress hak election kaban salong house nam arjar arfulairu menta kila phet lailum laiwa lag balik penyeso shakiwei party Ulah Takraiñ ting dak boong bak Kongres kabala job bun pat hak yeng dorbar thauan kebadan rupungut gidkhot hak election house nam arjar khat phra rementa kala not nakadaw jong ba Vincent pala.
If I have to reply to the president of the MPCC that whatever he say, I think he should introspect why all his colleagues run away from him. As soon as he comes to the state, the Congress lost all its MLA, and even the prospective candidate whom they have already selected that they may contest from the Congress. As of now, they are run away to other party. So to come here and just from Delhi and just bring allocation to something or without knowing the ground reality, so it is quite unbecoming of the president of the party. He should introspect that why the Congress being the largest party in 2018 and it becomes zero because of whom? It is because of him. So he should know how to introspect and how to behave in the words in his allocation also. I have seen his statement that he told that Home Minister they facilitate a drug cartel. This is quite unbecoming of the president of the party. And if I say the fact of the matter is from 2010 till 2018, if you see the seizure of drug, the arrest of the drug cartel, it is negligible. But if you see the record of this government from 2018 till date, the seizure of drug, the charge sheet, the arrest, it is very high. So who did it? Why the Congress does not do this? And moreover, we know who is Mapala. Mapala has a hand in everything when the Congress rule. That's why when he come back as the president of the party, everybody deserted him because they know who is he.